Hello, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade Kerio Connect to the latest version. Where you are a seasoned admin uh, or new Kerio Connect, this step-by-step guide will help you ensure a smooth upgrade. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a backup for your current Kerio Connect data. This is crucial to avoid any data loss during the upgrade process. Also, download the latest version of Kerio Connect from the official website. First, let's back up your exiting Kerio Connect data. Open the Kerio Connect administration console, navigate to configuration, then backup, click on new backup, and select the location where you want to save your backup. Once done, click start backup, wait for the process to complete before moving on the next step. Now head over to Kerio Connect official website, go to the downloads section and download the latest version of the Kerio Connect for your operating system. Save the installer to a convenient location on your server. Next, we need to stop the Kerio Connect services on Windows. Open the Services application, find Kerio Connect, right click and select Stop. On macOS or Linux, use Terminal to stop the Kerio Connect service with the appropriate command for your system. Uh, in other hand, in Windows operation system, you can use Task Manager. Click on your right click on your taskbar and click Task Manager. Then find Kerio Connect and then right click and then press End Task. According to the video, you can see how I do it. As you see, stopping services by the Kerio Connect installation can't stop service. I manually by right click on the Kerio Connect engine and click End Task, force stop Kerio Connect engine stop. After stopping Kerio Connect engine, installation continue automatically. Once the services are stopped or with the services stopped, we can now install the new version, run the installer you downloaded earlier. Follow the on-screen installations to complete the installation. Ensure that you select the option to upgrade the existing installation when prompted. After the installation is complete, we'll start the Kerio Connect services on Windows. Go back to the Services application, find Kerio Connect, right click and select Start. On macOS or Linux, use the terminal to start the Kerio Connect service with the appropriate command for your system. Once the services are up and running, open your web browser and log in into the Kerio Connect administration console. Navigate to the dashboard to verify that the new version is installed successfully. Check that all your data and settings are intact. And that's it. You're successfully upgraded Kerio Connect to the latest version. Please don't forget to check the release notes for any new features or important changes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, stay connected and keep your system updated. Have a nice time. Goodbye.